Welcome to the ultimate proving ground for man and machine. Monster trucks, 12,000 pounds of steel and thunder, unleash pure chaos on the arena floor. But the real unsung heroes operate on the edge of that chaos, in a maelstrom of urgency and precision. This is the pit, where every second counts, and failure is not an option. It's where raw power meets calculated strategy, all executed by an elite crew that turns disaster into triumph. The moment a monster truck rumbles into the pit, the entire crew explodes into motion. It's a blur of organized madness, a high-octane ballet where everyone knows their part. Tools fly, communication is clipped and immediate, and eyes scan for the slightest anomaly. This isn't just maintenance, it's a battle against the clock. The driver's fate and the show's momentum rest squarely on these mechanics' shoulders. First up, the monumental tire change. These aren't your average car tires. Each one weighs hundreds of pounds. The designated tire men attack the lug nuts with impact wrenches, their speed and strength astonishing. A single flat or damaged tire can end a run. These giants are swapped in mere minutes, often seconds, ensuring maximum traction and stability for the next insane jump or crush. Next, the shock and suspension specialists dive in. With massive air shocks designed to absorb forces equivalent to a small car impact, adjustments are constant and critical. Ride height, dampening, and compression are fine-tuned on the fly. This fine-tuning dictates how the truck lands, corners, and powers through obstacles. Precision here prevents catastrophic damage and keeps the driver in control. The engine crew swarm the truck's massive power plant. They perform immediate diagnostics, checking fluid levels, oil pressure, and fuel delivery. Every hose, every wire is quickly scrutinized for integrity. Any compromise to the engine's health means a loss of power, or worse, a complete shutdown. They ensure the heart of the beast is ready to roar again at full, unadulterated force. Meanwhile, safety officers conduct lightning-fast inspections. They check roll cages, safety harnesses, and fire suppression systems. Every bolt, every weld is a potential point of failure that must be verified. This is non-negotiable. Driver safety is paramount, and these checks are the final line of defense against the brutal forces at play. Then there are the unexpected emergencies. A bent steering rod, a broken axle, or even a differential failure. The pit crew shifts gears instantly, improvising solutions with spare parts and pure mechanical genius. Their ability to perform high-stress, on-the-spot repairs under immense pressure is legendary. These are moments where true grit and expertise shine brightest, often saving the show. What you witness in the monster truck pit is a true symphony of specialized skills and unwavering dedication. Each member, a vital cog in a high-performance machine, working in perfect concert. They are the unseen heroes, transforming chaos into controlled power, pushing the limits of mechanical endurance, and proving that precision under pressure is the ultimate adrenaline rush.